Are you looking to sell or buy a property in North Luzon? Visit our website at remaxarea.com to know more about how our team can help you.
Hi, this is VJ from Remax Area and welcome to another virtual property tour. Today we are here at Bermuda Hills Subdivision here in Baguio City, and I am very excited to show you this modern Scandinavian themed house dito ngayon. So this property has 3 bedrooms and 2 toilets and baths. Tapos meron din tayong isang maid's room na meron na rin siyang toilet and bath. Tara, tingnan natin. So dito sa ating first floor is meron tayong 1 to 2 parking slots. Siyempre depende yan kung gaano kalaki yung ating sasakyan. Siguro kung medyo malaki SUV or pickup, siguro magkakasya lang siguro iisa dito para meron tayong ample space para makagalaw tayo. Itong kwartong to is our maid's room. So pag pasok natin, yan, ito yung ating maid's room, and we also have yung kanyang sariling toilet and bath. Just beside the maid's room, we have our main entrance papasok ng bahay. So this house, medyo meron siyang mga smart features, and one of those features is actually yung lock ng ating main entrance. So this is a smart lock na pwede mo siyang i-program sa iyong phone para dun sa ating passcodes. Papakita ko sa inyo. So all you have to do is enter your PIN, and then yun, open na siya. So yan, pasok tayo. Yan. So from here, meron tayong stairs paakyat sa ating main living space. So pansinin nyo yung ating stairs, hindi yan tiles or hindi yan semento na nagbumuha lang wood. It's actually real wood planks siya yung ginamit dito sa ating stairs. So dito rin, papansin nyo, pati yung railings natin is made out of real wood. So kunyari, sa umaga, syempre sa Baguio, malamig. Hindi ka hahawak sa railing na malamig, di ba? At least neutral lang ang ating temperature ng ating railings. Dito sa ating second floor is our living, dining, and kitchen area. So when you think of Scandinavian theme kasi, we have our light wood, our whites, and very minimalist tong space na to. As you can see, this is an open theme layout. So wala talagang partitions, pero medyo nakaabang na yung mga lights natin kung saan may ilalagay yung ating dining table and kung saan ilalagay siguro yung TV, which is nakaabang na lahat yung ating sockets and yung ating other electric needs, no? So dito, sa bandang to, mapapansin nyo, andito na yung mga pendant lights natin. So supposedly, andito yung ating, siguro yung ating dining area. So mapapansin dito, magandang feature ng bahay na to is very open siya, and look at that. Diba? Floor to ceiling yung ating windows and doors na yan. Sliding doors to. So, if you want, ayaw nyo nang masyadong mahangin or gusto nyo mas tahimik sa loob, pwede natin i-close yan. So, 3 sliding doors to actually. So, pero ang kailangan mo lang naman galawin is yung first one, and hihilain niya na yung ating other part ng ating window. So rin maganda dito sa ating balcony is end-to-end siya. Kung gusto mo mag-entertain, pwede rito. Pwede kang maglagay siguro ng chairs and maliit na table if you want, siguro in the morning for your breakfast and your coffee. Makikita mo yan. Tapos, papakita ko nyo na rin sa inyo yung view. So itong view na to, kita mo yung loob ng ating subdivision, which is very nice kasi sobrang daming puno dito sa ating Bermuda subdivision. That area is for the subdivision, sa buong subdivision, which is a recreational area. Ang maganda dyan, hindi na siya matatayuan. So, hindi mabablock yung gantong view nitong bahay na to. And, kunyari, if you are a family and meron kayong mga kids, sobrang lapit lang nung park, nung basketball court, yung playground. And, kung gusto nilang maglaro sa labas, pwede kayong magstay dito and panoorin yung mga kids. Balik tayo sa loob. So now, papakita ko sa inyo yung ating kitchen. We have, yung top ng ating counter is actually made out of real wood. So hindi po yan fake, real wood yan. And then, dito banda, meron siyang onting gap which means pwede kayong maglagay ng inyong stools or pwede nyo siyang gawing breakfast nook. Yan. Tapos, dito, we have our cabinetries dito sa baba. So, when you're preparing food, yan, dito yung mga cabinetries. We also have cabinetries sa baba and also sa taas. So, hindi kayo mauubusan ng ating storage space. So, we have our very beautiful sink. And then, itong ating top is made up of quartz. So, white quartz yan. And then, papansin nyo, ganda ng details ng ating backsplash. So, medyo parang may pagka-canvas yung itsura ng backsplash natin, which goes with the theme ng ating kitchen. So, we have an induction cooktop na embedded na rin siya dun sa ating mismong counter space. So, dito, again, we have an extra storage space. Pwede siguro dito yung ref natin ilalagay or somewhere there. Kung papansin nyo, wala pa akong pinapakitang CR dito dahil, sabi nga natin, sobrang ganda ng theme na to. And sa mga viewers natin na medyo OC, ayaw nila ng makikita ng mga kung ano-ano. Gusto nila lang clean lang yung ating bahay. Andito, actually, yung ating, yan, o, di ba? Andito yung ating powder room for the living area. Itong toilet na to is very modern. Ito yung mga toilets na gumagamit ng less water. So, for sure, makakatipid kayo sa water. Tapos dito, we have our sink, syempre. And meron tayong storage dito sa baba. So, yan. Meron tayong secret door, di ba? Yan. So, dito naman, we have also, meron pa tayong isa dito. Meron pa tayong isang surprise dito, which is a space na pwede nyong i-convert actually as a storage area din kung medyo marami kayong gamit. So speaking of smart features, meron pang isang smart feature dito sa ating bahay, which is yung ating lights are actually connected dun sa ating Google. So, you can do a voice command para i-on and off yung ating lights. So, hey Google, turn off lights. Yon, right? So, gusto nyo yung buksan ulit, hey Google, turn on lights. There you go. There, diba? Okay. So, now, akit na tayo sa ating third floor, which is andun yung ating tatlong bedrooms. Tara. Yan. So, dito sa ating third floor, we have our bedrooms. So, dito muna tayo sa ating first bedroom. Yan. Very ample space. Siguro, queen size, kasyang-kasya. We also have yung ating cabinets here. Siyempre, pag sinabing Scandinavian, IKEA, di ba? So, we have our IKEA cabinets right there. Tapos, we also have yung ating doorway papunta sa ating balcony. So, yan. Lipat tayo sa kabila. Sa kabila naman itong ating first bedroom is our master's bedroom. So, syempre, master's bedroom, siya yung pinakamalaki. And also, siya rin yung may malaking doorway papunta sa ating balcony. Tapos again, yung ating balcony dito sa third floor is same as the balcony sa second floor, which is end-to-end. So, sobrang daming space. Isa rin sa features nitong bahay na to is it's using a gabled type ng kanyang roof. So, ang gabled type roofs are usually ginagamit sila pag, for example, magkadikit na kayo ng neighbor, tapos firewall to firewall na siya. So, yung gabled roof is nakadugtong na siya dun sa mismong wall ng bahay. So, wala siyang eaves. Kung mapapansin nyo kanina, sa labas, wala na rin siyang parang gutter sa labas dahil naka-incorporate yung mga gutter niya dito sa ating mismong wall ng bahay. So, now, punta tayo. Okay, syempre, meron na rin tayo naka-ready ng mga pendant lights para sa bedroom, and then we have yung ating cabinets. So, dito, syempre, meron tayong sariling master's toilet and bath. So, the same toiletries, the same sink. So, for our shower, we have a very beautiful waterfall shower. Yeah. Let's see yung ating third and final bedroom, which is, andito lang siya. So, yan. Very beautiful space. Tapos, again, our cabinets. And dito is our large window facing yung ating likod ng ating bahay. And dito sa tabi nitong bedroom na to is we have yung ating common toilet and bath that will be shared by the 2 bedrooms. Yan. Same toilet and sink. And again, yung ating magandang waterfall shower. Yan. So dito, hindi pa tayo tapos. Meron pa tayong stairs dito banda. So dito, mapapansin nyo, palabas na to sa likod ng ating bahay and makikita nyo na yung ating retaining wall. So yan, kasama pa rin to sa property natin. No? So from the 3rd floor, pwede kayong umakyat dito. And we have an open space which pwede nyong gawing siguro garden if you want or outdoor space. And then, syempre, pag maglalaba and magdadry ng clothes, pwede dito. And also, kung mapapansin nyo, dito we have yung water pump which is connected papunta dun sa baba. If you're wondering kung paano ito makakargahan, merong inlet dun sa ating front of the house para yung mga nagdi-deliver ng tubig, dun na lang ikakabit and then paakyat dito yung ating tubig. So yeah, that's it for our virtual property tour for today. Thank you for joining us, and if you like this episode, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more properties in North Luzon.